as I have been getting a little deeper into this world where we talk about cats and our big numbers and conservation and generally science communication, how we talk about these things to people, something that's very clear to me is that you can't be a jerk about it and then expect people to want to do good things. And this is, something I've heard time and time again from my very good friend, Ray Maktufi. She has a PhD in scientific misinformation. And she always says that to reach people, kind of reach across the aisle and say like, hey, maybe you should consider this thing that you normally wouldn't consider. It takes a lot of empathy.